rainforest. What are the characteristics of rainforests? High amount evergreen and trees living around flooded areas. Where's the rainforest found? The Amazon. Fun fact: the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Southern Asia. Fun fact: the Southern Asia rainforests are the oldest consistent rainforests in the world, drawing back from 70 million years ago. What type of plants are there? Epiphytes. The plants can be found in Japan, Kyushu, Gorge, and Saikushi. Brulettes. The plants can be found around Rio. Temperatures in the Amazon rainforest is 34 Celsius and Southern Asia rainforest is 80 Celsius. Some rainforests can get destroyed, for example, the Amazon and Southern Asia. Animals would either die or move on to a new rainforest. What are the use of rainforests? Example: wood for fire, paper, material to build, farming, or business place.